tired of doing crazy things to keep your skin looking fresh and firm? Me too. If you're like me, you've tried everything to soothe and calm your sensitive skin. Frozen spa mask? Whoa! I'm okay. Cucumbers on the eyes? Freezing your face with liquid nitrogen? Okay, that was once and it was a mistake. All of these solutions are tedious, time-consuming, and are additional steps to your regular skincare routine. But now, I have a secret. This is my very own Saranghae Blue Moon Beauty Fridge. Now we all agree, lots of things work better when they are kept cold. Keeping your skincare cold not only feels great, but helps to reduce feelings of inflammation and those pesky under-eye bags. Before my Saranghae Blue Moon Beauty Fridge, some of my mornings look like this. Here's what they look like now. Now I know what you're thinking. Just put your skincare in here. But something about that does not seem that luxurious. Not to mention the fact that I have less room for my produce. And sometimes my skincare goes missing.
What?
All of this can be really frustrating. That's why I like to take 5 minutes for myself. I still remember the first time I fell in love with my Saranghae Complete 5-Step Skincare Routine. And I can't believe the Blue Moon Beauty Fridge was free. That's right, I said free. With the purchase of the Saranghae Complete 5-Step Skincare Routine, the Blue Moon Beauty Fridge is free.
Babe, my stomach hurts.
Oh well, back to real life. You know why else I love the Saranghae Blue Moon Beauty Fridge? It's small and compact. It's made specifically for your Saranghae skincare routine. It's discreet and fits anywhere. It looks great. Always keeps your skincare at the perfect temperature. And it's so portable and light you can take it anywhere, even to the moon. And the absolute best part is the Saranghae Blue Moon Beauty Fridge is 100% free with the purchase of the Saranghae Complete 5-Step Skincare Routine. But hurry, click here now, because an offer this good only comes once in a blue moon.